Do you wanna build a snowman? Oh, yes, I do. So now I have had my snowballs. Yes, I have made it prior to this video, so it's just gonna be an enjoyable process of the detailing. So what I'm gonna do in this video is to actually build the snowman. Now I'm gonna have my hot glue gun and start attaching the pieces together first using this hot glue gun. The next step is going to be the face. So I'm gonna draw the face, and I usually use felt, and for this Olaf is going to be white felt and also black felt for its mouth. So in order to do this, you have to make sure that your scissors are sharp enough. If it's not, it's gonna be difficult to work with. Oh yes, anyway, I'm using 6mm eyes. So yep, that's all. These are the face that I'm gonna attach on the face of the Olaf. So now the face is done. I'm going to crochet 3 buttons for the Olaf. So I'm gonna use my black yarns only. Now you can already see how cute it actually is. Literally, even though we still don't have the hands and also the hair, it's so cute. So okay, now it's time to actually complete the Olaf by making the hands and also the hair. I'm gonna be using brown yarn and start crocheting some chains and make the arms and then attach them on the body. Almost done. Now the last part will be the hair, and I'm gonna just work directly on the head by crocheting along on the head like this. We're done. Hi, say hello to our Olaf. Now this is one of our Christmas crochet requested by our customers. So thank you so much for watching this video. Olaf is saying hello and goodbye at the same time. And we hope you like this video as much as you like the Olaf, so please don't forget to hit the like button and see you again. Merry Christmas!